Hello, my name is Kiara Rubio, and I am dissecting my sheep's brain as part of my physiological psychology program at HCU for Psych 4353. Now, I had already started off I'm starting off the video by already having cut the sheep's brain in half. So, we're going to go ahead and start right here. It's the cerebellum. The cerebellum is believed to what controls and maintains controls balance and maintains muscle coordination. And next to it, we have the cerebral aqueduct. The cerebral aqueduct is believed to connect the third ventricle to the fourth ventricle. These two are basically little chambers in the brain that hold cerebral spinal fluid. Let's see. Next, we have the superior collicus, which guides the eye's movement and guides head and eye movement, for newly detected visual stimuli. Next, we have this tiny little thing called the pineal gland. The pineal gland is an endocrine gland, which is responsible for creating melatonin, which is used to help us sleep. Let's see. Down here, we have the thalamus. This is pretty much our sensory relay center, in which sensory nerves come in, and impulses of information are sent out throughout the brain. Over here, this long thing is the corpus callosum. The corpus callosum is actually what connects the two parts of the hemispheres together. And next we have the sulcus, which is all these little folds of the brain. And then we have the gyrus, which are, I'm sorry, I'm getting my things mixed up. The sulcus are the grooves between the gyrus, and the gyrus are the folds of the brains. Alright, let's see. And then down here, we have the olfactory bulb. The olfactory bulb contains neurons and cell bodies that synapse with the olfactory nerves. And then we have the optic nerves, which are also down here. I don't know if you can see it from this angle. These pretty much carry information from the eyes to the rest of the brain. And then we have the hypothalamus, which is down here. The hypothalamus is responsible for the regulation and maintenance of internal homeostasis. This is pretty much controlling body temperature, appetite, etc. And then we have the midbrain, which is a little further down over here. This is the part of the brain that connects the pons and diencephalon. Speaking of which, the pons are these tiny little connective nerve tracts. I don't know if you can't really see them from this angle, but they connect the cerebellum with the other brain parts and the spinal cord. Let's see. And then we have the medulla, which is also over here. It's pretty much the center for the heart rate, blood pressure, respiration, and also controls certain reflexes. And finally, we have the spinal cord, which is this little tail down here. The spinal cord basically connects the brain to the first lumbar of the spine, which helps us control the rest of the body. And these are the 15 brain parts I was able to identify.